Tripp Lite's M100 to 10 NBK USB sync charge cable with Lightning connector allows you to transfer data to and from your latest generation Apple iPod, iPhone or iPad device while charging the device at the same time. The cable features a uniquely designed reversible male Lightning connector that plugs into your device in either direction, making connections easier and faster. And, at only 10 inches, this cable reduces cable clutter and is easy to carry with you. Typical applications: sync and charge an Apple device at the same time. Replace a missing cable or keep as a spare. Replace a longer cable to reduce cable clutter. Short length reduces cable clutter and offers on-the-go convenience. The M100 to 10 NBK is MFI certified, so it's made specifically for iPod, iPhone and iPad devices. Use with iPhone 5, 5C, 5s, 6 and 6 Plus, iPad, 4th generation, iPad mini, Mini 2 and Mini 3, iPad Air and iPad Air 2, iPod Touch, 5th generation, and iPod Nano, 7th generation. This cable is constructed of top-quality materials. For optimal connectivity, it has nickel-plated connectors with copper contacts. It's double-shielded with foil and braid to ensure maximum ME, RFI protection and signal quality. The flexible PVC jacket and molded connectors guarantee long life and durability. The M100 to 10 NBK comes backed by a 2-year warranty. It's manufactured in compliance with RoHS specifications restricting the use of hazardous substances. Top reviews from the United States. Good bidirectional cable. Use it for charging, use it for connecting to computer, works great.